The lost cities beneath the ocean, beneath the waves, hidden under centuries of silence, lies a forgotten world. Sunken cities once alive with markets, temples, and voices now rest at the bottom of the sea, covered in coral and guarded by shadows. These are not legends, but realities, scattered across the oceans of our planet. Most people know the myths of Atlantis, the legendary island described by Plato. But beyond the myth, there are real ruins, submerged civilizations that were swallowed by water, earthquakes, and time itself. One of the most astonishing is Heracleion, often called the Atlantis of Egypt. For more than 1,000 years, this great port city thrived at the mouth of the Nile. It was here that Cleopatra walked, where merchants traded gold, and where massive temples honored the gods. And yet, in the 8th century, Heracleion vanished beneath the waves after a sudden disaster. For centuries, it was thought to be just a legend until divers rediscovered it in 2000. Statues taller than men, colossal columns, and entire neighborhoods now lie submerged, perfectly preserved in silence. But Egypt is not alone. In the waters off India, near the coast of Gujarat, lies the city of Dwarka. Ancient texts spoke of it as the golden city of Lord Krishna, built with grand palaces and connected by shining roads. For centuries, many believed it was only mythology, but when marine archaeologists explored the Gulf of Kambat, they discovered structures more than 9,000-years-old ruins older than the pyramids of Egypt. Streets, walls, and artifacts suggested that an advanced city once thrived there, before the sea swallowed it forever. Travel across the ocean, and in the waters of Japan lies another mystery, the Yonaguni Monument. At first glance, it looks like a massive staircase carved from stone, with sharp angles and terraces that rise from the seafloor. Some argue it is a natural formation, shaped by currents and erosion. Others believe it is the last remnant of a forgotten civilization, one that predates all known history. The truth remains hidden, and the ocean keeps its secrets. Even in Europe, stories of sunken worlds echo through history. Off the coast of Spain and Portugal, archaeologists have found ruins that resemble circular structures, reminders of the myths of Tartessos, a wealthy kingdom said to have disappeared without warning. But why do these cities sink? Some vanish because of earthquakes and tsunamis. Others are victims of rising seas, as ice ages ended and oceans rose higher than ever before. What is most surprising is that many of these ruins are older than what we once thought possible for advanced human settlements. Imagine divers swimming through avenues where chariots once rolled, or drifting past temples where priests once sang to the gods. Fish swim through broken archways, and coral grows where once torches burned. These are cities frozen in time, guarded not by walls, but by the sea itself. For centuries, myths of lost civilizations fired the human imagination. But now, science confirms that some of those myths may hide fragments of truth. What if Atlantis was not just a single place, but a memory of many? A collective echo of cities swallowed by rising seas thousands of years ago. As technology advances, new tools like sonar mapping, underwater drones, and satellite scans may reveal more of these forgotten worlds. Perhaps entire chapters of human history still lie hidden beneath the waves, waiting for discovery. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, and yet we have explored less than 10% of its depths. What secrets still rest below? What stories remain untold? The lost cities beneath the ocean remind us of two truths. Civilizations can rise to greatness, but they can also fall into silence, and that the sea, timeless and relentless, always keeps the final word.